Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Shab and thank you for joining. So today I've got a mystery box. This is the ultimate one from BeautyBay. You get 14 products in here and it's £35 and it's a mystery. So I'm looking forward to seeing what we've got in here and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay, so I'm just going to pull things out at random. I don't know what any of these things are, so it's exciting. The first thing we've got is I don't know, what is this? Plumping Lip Gloss. A super glossy lip enhancer which helps visibly plump and moisturise for fuller looking lips. Expect a tingling sensation that means it's working. Contains vitamin E and avocado oil. Very nice. It's the packaging, just nice clear. It's got a nice big applicator in there as well. Should we try it? Smells minty. There we go. Not tingling yet. It's probably a bad idea just in case my mouth sets on fire during the video. Well done me. Next up, we've got a Brow Fixer Fibre Gel. Brow Fixer. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so it's a clear gel. It does look like it's got fibres in it. You can see, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, hopefully. There's loads of like little hairs on it. Fibres. Very nice. It's in the shade Glass, so it's clear and it's a 5ml. My lips are tingling now. Next up, we've got an eyebrow brush, which is the BB208, which looks like this. It's a nice flat brush. Oh, my lips are on fire. So that's a nice eyebrow brush. I really like the BeautyBay brushes. I've got a nice set that I use from them. Okay, next up we've got Crayon Eyeliner Quad. Oh, metallic, from the Metallic collection. This is exciting. So you get 4 in here. This is Antique, which is like a rusty bronze colour. Like so. It's quite shimmery. Then we've got Peacock. Oh, it's like a really nice emerald green colour. Oh, that's stunning. Then we have Cushion, which looks like it's gonna be a really nice bronzy rose kind of colour here. That's really pretty. And then we've got Deep, which is this gonna be a blue? Oh, there. It's like a charcoal kind of colour. They're really pretty. And they look really durable as well, which is fab. They'd be really nice, like waterline kind of colours, I think. Next up, we have, a matte lipstick. Let your lips do the talking with our ultra creamy, intensely pigmented lipsticks. Our comfortable, smudge-proof formula lasts on your lips all day. Find your new favourite. Let's have a look. Oh, love the packaging. And what shade are we? Bikini. Oh, that's a gorgeous coral. It's picking up more orange, I think, on camera. It's a very nice coral colour. Swatch it there. That's gorgeous. What a nice summer colour. It is matte as well, and it smells like Play-Doh. What else have we got? We have a brush, Round the Blend. So it's a blended brush. Like I said, I do really like the BeautyBay brushes. That's really pretty, black and kind of like a rose gold hardware on it. It's really, really soft. White tip brushes are my favourite. I don't know why, but they are. And then we've got another brush, and this is a big brush. Looks like it's a face brush. Glow Up, it says. Oh, nice. So again, it's the same black and rose gold hardware. Looks like it's kind of like an all-rounder. Really, really soft again. Gorgeous. So far, so good. What's this? got a little bubble wrapped product. This is a powder highlighter, very nice. A lightweight powder highlighter that delivers a smooth pigmented finish, blendable and buildable. This versatile highlighter can be used to create a variety of looks, from soft subtle shimmers to bold and blinding effects. It's in the shade Trophy. Oh, look at that. That is like a true gold highlighter. Wow, it's very pigmented. Stunning. I don't have that. We're on a roll here for no duplicate products. To be fair, I don't have that much from BeautyBay, to be fair, so I thought this is such a nice way to try the products. My lips are on fire, so I'm going to say that that lip plumper definitely works. Next up, we have, ooh, I always pronounce these wrong. It is a Jade Gua Sha. It is for massaging your face. I do already have one, but it's not a Jade one. It's just one from Shein that I picked up really cheap. It's really nice. Oh, you can feel the quality of it is amazing. That is a really cool one, actually. It's kind of like camo, isn't it? We've got another bubble wrapped product, and this is a powder blush. It says a powder blusher to help you add a flush of colour with a blendable formula for a seamless finish and buildable pigments to ensure your looks are always customised. The blusher glides on the cheeks for hours of lightweight wear. Same packaging as the highlighter, sorry. So this is powder blush in the shade Coral. This would be really nice with the lipstick. Oh my god, look at that. That is stunning. Again, really, really pigmented. A little is going to go a long way with that. Next up, it looks like we've got a skincare product. This is Skin Hit Nourishing Oil Hemp and Rose Hip for de-stressing and conditioning skin. It's for all skin types, and this is a 50ml, cruelty-free and vegan, targeted ingredients and simple formulas. So hemp seed oil obtained by cold pressing cannabis sativa seeds, rich in fatty acids to help calm and nourish stressed skin, and rose hip seed oil, a powerful antioxidant which helps to protect the skin against the signs of aging. That sounds really, really nice. Dropper, which I do really like. I was literally talking about facial oils yesterday in a video, and that couldn't have come at a better time to actually try one out. So yeah, that sounds really, really nice. Next up, I thought we've got something from the Disney collections, the Disney Colour Collection Shadow Stick Trio. Stop it, these are so cute. A trio of versatile shadow sticks to create an array of pigmented looks with a long wearing and smudge proof finish. Some of my favorite Disney films. Oh, these are stunning. Okay, so you get 3 in here. We have the Dumbo, which is a gorgeous yellow. We have Jungle Book, which is a gorgeous lilac shade. And then we've got Alice in Wonderland, which is one of my favourites. And that's a really gorgeous, like, peachy orange colour. So I'm just going to swatch these for you so you can see. These are gorgeous. They're really, really creamy. This is the Dumbo one here, this gorgeous yellow colour. And then you've got Jungle Book, which is the stunning lilac in the middle. And then you've got Alice in Wonderland, which is a really, really nice peachy orange kind of colour. Then we've got Alice in Wonderland palette. So this is from their Disney collection. Oh, look at this. The Cheshire Cat. There we go. They're all named on the back as well. Cheshire Cat stripe, Cheshire Cat eyes, teeth, tree, face and fur. They're really pretty. I love this like lime shade here. It's really pretty. Nice addition to the collection. Last but not least, this huge Jade palette. So this is the collaboration with Jade from Little Mix. I've been dying to open this. I seen it right at the beginning and I thought I'll save this till last, you know, I like to do that. It's the Jade palette and it is a 42 shade palette. Oh my god, look at that. It's a mixture of mattes and shimmers. Look at that silver there. Just watch that. Oh, that was so creamy. There's a gorgeous red up there as well. That is stunning. I mean, you've got some really, really nice, like, everyday colours, and then you've got some really bright, bold colours for loving life, basically. They are all named as well, which I do really like, but look how stunning. I have to say, that is such a nice mystery box. You've got a bit of everything in there. You've got some skincare, you've got your powder highlight, your blush, your brushes, and lipstick, lip plumper, eyeshadows, eyeliners. Yeah, massive value for money there as well. Obviously the box is £35 for the 14 products. I'm absolutely made up with that. They did go out of stock as I purchased mine, but I do believe they've gone back into stock now, so they are available again on the website. So I will link it down below, so hopefully you can get your hands on one. They do the ultimate, which is the 14 products, and then they do a mystery box standard, which I believe is 10 products, and that's £30. So if you wanted to pick one up, I will leave the link down below, and let me know down below in the comments what you think of the box. I'm gonna go and scrub all these swatches off. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.